Welcome to the second screencast of this series aimed at increasing usability of the Landmap website. This screencast is going to show you how to change the base map, expand the map view, retract the map view, and change the transparency between layers. Once on the Kaia homepage, navigate to the top right corner where you will see a drop-down menu. Here is a list of base maps where the default is Bing Roads. You can change the base map by simply selecting one of the other options, and the base map will change automatically. Alternatively, it is possible to add a base map through the use of a web map service, or WMS. The default WMS implemented into Kaia is provided by OS Open Data. To view these types of base maps, navigate to the Browse tab. Expand OS Open Data from the Maps drop-down menu and select the map you wish to view. In this case, we will select all available layers, which will provide more detailed information than that of Bing Roads. Upon selecting a map, it will appear in the search results at the bottom of the page. Hovering over this will display the area of coverage of this particular map. Select Add to Map. We will do this now for all the layers. You will notice that nothing changes in the display. This is because certain maps are only viewable at a certain level of zoom. The further the view is expanded, the more detail is displayed by the corresponding layer. This is known as scale rendering. In order to view the maps, it is necessary to expand the map view. Firstly, select the Navigate tab. This displays the layers currently added to the map display. You will notice that the small eyes have red crosses through them and are therefore not viewable. In order to view the layers, it is necessary to expand the map view. This is possible via a number of methods. Firstly, as a default, the Navigate option will be selected in the toolbar to the bottom left corner of the display, and you can expand and retract the view by simply scrolling the mouse wheel backwards and forwards. You will notice as you expand and retract the view, different layers will become viewable, signalled by the removal of the red line through the eye for each corresponding layer. The second method is to select the zoom option from the toolbar. This allows you to zoom into an area of interest by highlighting it in the display. Again, what layers are viewable will depend on the level of zoom. By selecting the Zoom Out option from the toolbar, you can zoom out from a chosen central point by simply clicking in the display. I will now demonstrate how to change the transparency between layers. This is a useful tool if you want to view multiple layers at once. Firstly, zoom into your layer of interest. In this case, we will zoom to Street View. In the Navigate tab, expand the Street View layer by clicking the small arrow to the right of the eye. Alternatively, you can click on the Expand All to expand all layers. You will notice a scale bar ranging from 0 to 1. You can change the transparency of the layer by simply dragging the cursor. The closer to 0, the more transparent the layer. As the transparency increases, the Bing Roads base map will become more viewable in the display, allowing you to see both layers' information at the same time. You can repeat this process on any of the other layers in the Navigate tab. This is advantageous as it allows users to view more information about their area of interest. For example, Street View includes building types which is not provided by Bing base maps. Thank you for watching. More videos covering further capabilities of Kaia are now available to view on the Landmap website.